want to quickly show you how to create offers in Kajabi for both a one-time payment and a multiple payment option if you're selling an online product or course. If you want to try out Kajabi for free, you can get a 30-day free trial using my link below. So from your dashboard, you can go into your sales, and this will automatically bring up your offers. And so what we want to do is create a new offer for a given course. So we're going to click this new offer button in the top right-hand corner, and we're going to title our offer. So I'm going to call this the Test Academy, and we're going to do the one-time payment first. I can just throw a product into this offer real quick that I already have, and under payment type, you want to choose one-time payment. And we'll say the price for this course is $147. Then we can just create this offer. So in the title, this is what your customers are actually going to see. So I'm actually going to delete the one-time payment so they just see Test Academy. And in the internal title, I'm going to put Test Academy one-time payment. This is just helpful for you to be able to know which one you're pulling, since you're going to have two different offers that both have the same external name. So this is published. Here's the products it includes. You can add upsells here, cart abandonments, and automations. You also have new opportunities over here to limit offers, control product access, and then decide what you do after purchase. You can add in your thumbnail. And so this is almost done. If you want to change this pricing here, you can just hit edit pricing, and you can always come in here and change whatever price you want there. The other really important thing you do before you just start linking this up is go into this edit checkout. So in this edit checkout, this is what they're going to see when they go to actually check it out. If you don't come in here and edit these things, then they're going to just see all of this insert. So this is a really important part to actually change. So you can change this and say, get the Test Academy. It is awesome. And then we're going to save it. So now it says, get the Test Academy. It is awesome. And so you want to make sure that you're coming in here and changing this before you ever have these offers go live. So then we can go back to the actual offer itself. And so now we're basically good. We can easily have this go live as it is. If we want to change it up more, we have the option to do that. But this is good to go live. So we're going to save it, and we're going to go back to the offers. So here we have our Test Academy one-time payment. And now if we want a multiple payment options, we can come over here, click more, and we want to clone this product. This is going to keep everything the same for the product, so nothing got changed. And then we're going to go in and change the actual pricing. So you can see it's now cloned here. And if I click on it, you can see we have all that additional information in here. So I'm going to change the internal title to multiple payments. And again, that external title, I'm just going to leave as Test Academy. And then the most important part is to come into this pricing block and hit edit price. And you want to go from a one-time payment and instead click multiple payments. And then this is where you're going to create your payment plan. So I could say that this is $37 over 6 months. And so this will then charge them $37 for 6 months. And I can save that. And then I can go into edit checkout. So I can see what the final offer is going to look like. Because we cloned the offer, all of this internal stuff stays the same. And then over here, you can see that they need to pay $37 USD for 6 monthly payments. And so that'll be the total you can get. And so this looks good and is ready to go. Obviously, you want to include a little bit more detail on the left-hand side. Now, all you need to do is in your sales page, hook up these two different links into the one-time and the multiple payment, so it'll automatically direct them. If you want to have multiple different types of multiple payments, so say you have this 6 months at 37 and maybe you want to do a 3 month at 67, you can clone this again and just come in and change this pricing as well. And I would add something into the internal title so you know which is which. And that is how to simply offer multiple payments and a one-time payment option for your Kajabi courses. If you're working on your business, consider getting my free online business tech and resource guide to help you figure out which softwares are actually worth purchasing and which resources are available to you to skyrocket your business forward. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.